Morning everyone, my name is Yojit. I am from grade 4. This is my friend.
Hi, my name is Lithika Sri.
Today we are going to explain about preparation of table using Excel. What is Excel? Excel is like a big digital notebook filled with boxes. Each box can hold numbers or codes. It's like keeping score in game or writing your class attendance list.
What is table? A table is a neat grid where each column has title like number, name, color. The image shows how table looks when copied into the PowerPoint.
Steps to make a table in Excel. Open Excel. Double click on Excel to open. Enter type names at the top row. Example names, age, favorite fruits. Add data. Fill rows with information like classmates, names and choices. Select data range. Click and drag to highlight it. Insert table. Click and insert table. Go to the insert tab. Click the table. Confirm the range and tick my table has headers. Click OK. Excel will format nicely.
Why use table? Looks nice and neat. Sort and filter easily. You can arrange names A to Z or find someone quickly. Auto expands. New entries automatically join in the table.
Thank you.